Welcome back, ninth class students. Maths part 2nd. Lesson number 4, Constructions of Triangles. And today we are going to solve problem set 4. Question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY plus XZ is equal to 10.3 centimeter. YZ is equal to 4.9 centimeter and angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. Now let's draw at first rough figure. So this is rough figure in which YZ is 4.9 centimeter, that is the base, and angle Y is 45 degree. So the angle adjacent to the base is given, and XY plus XZ is equal to 10.3 centimeter, that is sum of remaining two sides is given. Now let's draw this triangle. At first draw segment YZ, that is the base of a triangle, 4.9 centimeter. Then angle Y is 45 degree. Therefore draw ray making angle 45 degree at point O, at point Y. So this is 45 degree. Join these points. Now take distance 10.3 centimeter in a compass, 10.3 centimeter. This is 10.3 centimeter. Put compass at point Y and draw the arc on this ray. Now extend this ray. So this is point of intersection. Now join this point and Z. Let this point is a D. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of DZ. So take more than half of distance of DZ in a compass. Put compass on a point Z and draw two arcs on both sides of DZ. Now put compass on a point D and draw two more arcs on the opposite side of DZ. So we get 2 points of intersection of these two arcs. Join these 2 points. This is perpendicular bisector of DZ, and this perpendicular bisector intersect YZ at point X. Join this X and Z. So this is the triangle XYZ, XZ congruent to XD and these two segments are also congruent. This angle is 45 degree and the length of YZ is 10.3 centimeter. In this way, we have drawn triangle XYZ here. Now, question number 2. Construct triangle ABC in which angle B 70 degree, angle C 60 degree, AB plus BC plus AC 11.2 centimeter. Means in triangle ABC we have given perimeter 11.2 centimeter and the two angles, angle B 70 degree and angle C 60 degree are given. At first draw the rough figure in which this angle B is a 70 degree, half of 70 degree is 35 degree, therefore draw ray making 35 degree at point P, and this angle is 60 degree, half of 60 degree is 30 degree, so make an angle of ray, draw ray making an angle 30 degree at point Q, and this PQ distance is 11.2. so these rays intersect at point A. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of AP and perpendicular bisector of AQ. These two bisectors intersect PQ at point B and C. Then we get triangle ABC. Now let's construct this triangle. So draw the segment PQ 11.2 centimeter. Draw ray at point P making angle 35 degree. Now draw ray at point Q making angle 30 degree. These two rays intersect at point A. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of PA. So take more than half of distance of PA in a compass. Put compass at point P. And draw arc on both sides of PA. Then put compass at point A and draw two more arcs intersecting first two arcs. These are the points of intersection. Join these two points. These points meet, this ray meet PQ at point B. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AQ. Take more than half of the distance of AQ in a compass. Draw two arcs on both sides of AQ. Put compass at point A and draw two more arcs intersecting first two arcs. So we get these 2 points. Join these 2 points. In this way. This is perpendicular bisector of AQ. This will intersect PQ at C. Now join AC and AB. So now BA congruent BP and CA congruent CQ. This angle is 35 degree. This angle is 70 degree. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Thus we have constructed triangle ABC. Now question number 3. The perimeter of triangle is 14.4 centimeter and the ratio of lengths of its side is 2:3:4. Construct triangle. Consider triangle ABC in which we have given sides ratio, that is AB is to BC is to AC is equal to 2:3:4. Let the common multiple of ratio is x. Then AB is equal to 2x, BC is equal to 3x and AC is equal to 4x. And we have given the perimeter, that is sum of all the sides of a triangle, 14.4 centimeter. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 14.4 centimeter. 2x plus 3x 5x, 5x plus 4x 9x, 9x is equal to 14.4. So x is equal to 14.4 upon 9, it will be 1.6. Now AB is equal to 2x, 2 into 1.6, that is 3.2 centimeter, and BC is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 1.6, that is 4.8 centimeter, and AC is equal to 4x is equal to 4 into 1.6, that will be 6.4 centimeter. Thus we get all the sides of this triangle. Then it is easy to construct this triangle. At first, draw segment AC 6.4 centimeter, that is the base of this triangle. Now we have given AB 3.2 centimeter. So take 3.2 centimeter distance in a compass. Put compass at point A and draw the arc in this way. Now we have given BC 4.8 centimeter. So take 4.8 centimeter distance in a compass. Put compass at point C and draw the arc intersecting the first arc. So this is a point B. Now join points BC and AB thus this is a triangle ABC in which AB is a 3.2 centimeter, BC 4.8 centimeter and AC 6.4 centimeter. Now the last example. Example number 4. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ minus PR is equal to 2.4 centimeter, QR is equal to 6.4 centimeter and angle PQR 55 degrees. So here base 6.4 centimeter, QR is the base and angle adjacent to base, that is the angle Q, is 55 degree given, and the difference between the remaining two sides, that is the PQ minus PR, is given 2.4 centimeter. This is a rough figure. Now let's draw fair figure, that is let's construct triangle PQR. At first draw segment QR 6.4 centimeter. Then draw ray at point Q making an angle 55 degree. In this way. Now take 2.4 centimeter distance in a compass. 2.4 distance in a compass. Put compass at point Q. Draw arc on this ray. Let this point is D. Now join DR. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. Take more than half of distance of DR in a compass. Put compass at point R. Draw the arc in this way. Now put compass at point D. Draw two more arcs. Now these are the points of intersection of arcs. Join these points. Extend this ray. This is perpendicular bisector of DR. Now this is point P. Join now PR. This angle is 55 degree. This distance is 2.4 centimeter. Now DP and RP are congruent. These two lengths are congruent. Thus we have constructed triangle PQR.